Would you like to keep more of what you make at tax time? If tax time is not your favorite time of year, you're not alone. We can make it as quick and pain-free as possible for you by helping you navigate the maze of forms, requirements, deadlines, and constantly changing tax laws, and help you become aware of any tax savings available in your circumstances. Here are a couple of tips to keep in mind when you hire a tax preparer. Make sure they're registered with the IRS. Make sure they have attended continuing education tax courses so they're up to date with the changing tax laws. Make sure they can e-file your returns. It's faster that way. Last, you may want someone who is good at explaining your return to you so that you understand what you're signing. At our firm, we help our clients with 3 things. 1, tax preparation and filing of all type of tax returns. 2, tax planning so you can keep more of what you make. And 3, representation in case you receive a tax bill or audit notice from any tax agency. We'd love to meet you and discuss how we can help you with your tax requirements. Call or email us to set up your no-cost, no-obligation tax consultation.